They reporting about the Coal City Cup Ebaso during the preseason. Asante Kotoko eka ho. Na se say no teams Asante Kotoko ne ombebo no abetodwa ye de brew ewofia ha Super 24 TV. South tournament we Ebaso between 1st of August to 11th of August. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, let's state on record say it's yet to confirm officially say obebo anase ombo sika kese bi omosi omode bema participating teams no enya asemketo na participating teams no fully confirm manumria na mense can report be about the participating teams no enye teams keto akra enya nwanwa se krobia Asante Kotoko ejina mu ho na teams akotoko ene ombebo no ewa ha without much I do no ma memfa to screen so na mempoto mam games na because of Nigeria Azewege Stadium. Asante Kotoko Sporting Club will join 7 other teams for preseason tournament in Enugu, Nigeria, August 2024. Participating teams are Enugu Rangers, Nigeria, Ayimba FC, Nigeria, Go Mahia, Kenya, FC Cologne, Sierra Leone, Cotton FC, Benin, Remo Stars, Nigeria, and Kano Pillars, Nigeria. Na chese akesefo pa na krobia ene omokwa compete for this Coal City Cup. Let's state on record again, Asante Kotoko is yet to officially confirm say obebo anase ombo, but reporter organizers nearby Montana say krobia Asante Kotoko ka ho, and organizers ne can say no munim so omo ma communicate to Kotoko say omumra no omumbebo. So we are yet to hear from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. See a TBB free Kotoko ha Super 24 TV there. I had here, bro straight away.